Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're coming to you from Disney's Pop Century Resort. In this video, we'll be reviewing our one-night pre-cruise stay as we get ready to set sail aboard the Disney Wish. Disney's Pop Century Resort is one of two value resorts that offer access to the Disney Skyliner. This resort celebrates pop culture from the 50s through the 90s. Each section of the resort is themed around a different decade, complete with larger-than-life icons and super fun decor. I also really love all the memorabilia they have here on display. This is actually my second time visiting this resort. Last time we stayed in a standard location room over in the 90s building. Preferred rooms are located closer to the main areas like transportation, the dining hall, and resort activities. And over here between the two 60s buildings, you'll find the Hippy Dippy pool and the kiddie pool. Absolutely love the fun theming and all the bright colors at this resort. It's honestly no surprise this resort consistently ranks one of the top value resorts here at Walt Disney World. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed here before and if you have a favorite building here. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Disney and travel content just like this. You can see this family decorated their window, which is always a fun idea, especially if you're traveling around the holidays. Lifeguards are on duty here at the Hippy Dippy pool, as well as the bowling pool, which is in the 50s section, and then the computer pool, which is located in the 90s section. There's also complimentary life jackets for the kids to wear. And located at the Hippy Dippy pool, you'll find the Pedals pool bar. Buildings 4 and 5 are very close to the Skyliner, and we stayed in building 4, which is the 60s area. Hey, and welcome to Pop Century. Ready for a room tour? Okay, so welcome to our room. This is Disney's Pop Century. This is a 2-queen bed room. And it might only look like 1 queen bed, but there is a bed hiding in the Murphy bed here. It pulls down. And then when it's set up, you have a table and chairs. Excuse the mess. We just got in, so our luggage is everywhere. You have your Hey Disney. And then here is your storage area for any like food items, kitchen items that you want to bring, and then a mini fridge, but I know it's supposed to just be for beverages. So it's a beverage cooler down to 41 degrees and above. So not necessarily keeping certain foods and medications cold. So just be mindful of that. You have your coffee maker, extra cups, an ice bucket, and then they do supply both regular and decaf coffee, as well as teas, creamers, and sugar. Over here you have wonderful storage, TV, of course, your charging ports. And this is a view of the cleaning schedule, so it's every other day. But yeah, just to show you, you've got additional storage in here, and then pull-out drawers right here. Over here you have your queen bed, and I just love this art. And then there's a television, don't mind me, a telephone and some charging ports on this side, as well as storage. And then you also have the light switch, charging ports, and storage here as well. And then we're in the 60s building. So we have a really great view. The Disney Skyliner, kind of hard to see behind the trees. So I'll go and show you, but just such a great view. Okay, so we have a look at the bathroom. There's nice storage here. You've got your magnifying mirror, some cabinet space, open storage, and then your iron hanging for hanging clothes here. And you have your tub shower combination, restroom, and then this closes, and then you also have the barn door here that closes. Here's the Skyliner, and that's Art of Animation over there across the water. There's all kinds of historical markers, different fun facts, history. So 1962, this is the 60s building. As you can tell, it's 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s here at Pop Century. And there is the Skyliner. Really, it's between Art of Animation, which is over there, and this resort, Pop Century. I haven't been here since 2017. Wow. And you've not ever been. What do you think so far?
I think it's very nice.
Yeah, beautiful weather too we're having.
Well done.
More facts. So, they just think of everything, don't they? The Disney Skyliner offers complimentary transportation to Hollywood Studios and EPCOT. Do be aware, though, that before the parks open and then when closing time comes around, the wait for the Skyliner can be a bit long. Heading over to
we hope you enjoyed your journey.
Boardwalk
and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and EPCOT International Gateway. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to EPCOT.
At the Caribbean Beach Resort now, which is the main Skyliner hub, where we're going to connect to the EPCOT resort area over here. On to the next one.
Yeah. Don't be in EPCOT.
Resort. We're going to stay on for EPCOT. Okay, we are at EPCOT, and the back entrance, which is the World Showcase entrance, right near France, and the Ratatouille ride. So it's pretty cool. This is also the same entrance that guests staying at the nearby resorts such as Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Villas, Yacht Club, and Beach Club would enter through. One of the biggest perks of staying at Disney's Pop Century Resort is the Disney Skyliner. It definitely makes getting to EPCOT and Hollywood Studios super easy. If you're heading to Magic Kingdom or Animal Kingdom, you would use the complimentary bus transportation. And then Art of Animation is another fantastic option with the Skyliner access, but Pop Century is usually a bit more budget friendly. Other resorts that have access to the Disney Skyliner would be Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort and Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're thinking of traveling to Disney World and want help choosing the perfect resort or figuring out the best deal for your trip, then scan this QR code to get started planning your magical Disney vacation. I'm here to help you plan, and my services are completely free. The Classic Hall is the main building of this resort and where your stay begins at check-in. Since we were traveling during Easter week, they were hosting an annual Easter egg contest where you could vote for your favorite Easter egg. Everything Pop is your one-stop dining and shopping location here at this resort. Here is also where you'll be able to shop for souvenirs. There's Pop Century branded merchandise, as well as essentials that you may have left at home. I'm thinking of putting together a video that just focuses on the dining at this resort as well as other activities. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. And since I collect Disney ornaments, I could not pass up this adorable, vintage-looking Mickey phone ornament. Here you'll see that the food court is kind of connected to the shopping area. They also have mobile ordering, and then you can refill your resort mugs here too. The Classic Hall is also home to the Fast Forward Arcade. Since we chose Disney Cruise Line transportation, they collected our luggage early in the morning, and then this was our designated meeting point to head over to Port Canaveral. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope that you go ahead and give it a like and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video as we set sail on the Disney Wish for a 4-night Bahamian cruise. And as always, thanks for watching.